Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you how I'm taking apart A-coil and a condenser, AC condenser, to recycle the copper. I've already tried to use a Sawzall on this, and the Sawzall worked. It worked great for cutting the fins off, but there was so much aluminum dust, and you either got to wear a mask, and if it's hot out, then you're sweating in a mask. So I just decided to cut them off with a utility knife. So here I've butchered this AC condenser quite a bit already, and you can see where I'm at right now. I've cut this layer of fins. Now I'm going to pull the copper out, bend it a couple times. It's really thin copper in the condenser. I'm going to throw it in my recycling. Now I'm going to cut another roll. Let's see here. I'm going to cut it right along this line, where the pipe is, or try to get as close to it as I can. The easier it is if you get right on the pipe, because then you cut through. So let's see. Oops. Try this here again. Gotta wear gloves. These fins will cut the heck out of your hands if you don't. So I start up at one end and pull down as hard as I can. Now let's see how good I did on this row. I'm just pulling the fins down after I run a knife blade on them. There's a few that didn't get cut. Guys at work are saying, for all this work, for the little bit of money you get for recycling, I don't know what it's going to be. It's like $2 prepared copper, $2 a pound. So that'll make this worth quite a bit more. If I just brought the whole condenser in, it would be 89 cents a pound. So you can see here, pulling the copper out. And it can only go so far. I don't know which way to show you. If we switch the camera around the other way. Guess I can't right now. Is this a better view? Yeah, that's a little better. And then just bend the copper a couple times this way and a few times this way. It comes right off. And I'll bail these up a little bit later. Watch the guy saved all the fins, put in with your aluminum can. And I just threw the copper in my copper bin there, and also going to take some other aluminum in. Let's do this again. Let's see if we can show you another one. Let's start up here where the copper pipe is, and just try and pull it down the whole length. And it saws, it cuts them pretty good. I gotta see where I'm at. Stay on top of it. And just fold it over. If I cut through, it folds over easy. If not, I gotta plug it off just a little bit. Gotta redo it. There we go. There, it just opens up. Here you can see I didn't cut through a lot of this. It's a long, tedious process. Maybe for only a few bucks. Let's see here. See, it's still, I got too far over past the pipe here. I bend it a few times. That way, that way. Take it into my pile. Copper. Do it again. Do it again. It's right here. This thing's right here. Not exactly easy, like the guys at work said. It's not really worth it. Can't see these going in there. Somebody else doing this when I can make the money for it. Spots right here. All right. Gotta wear gloves. You rip your hands up, like I said before. Later on, I'll take all these fins like I said. And I'll try and bag them up or bale them up or put them in a bucket. I already got some in a bucket. I'll show you. That's with a few cans. And I need a bigger bucket. It's got a lot of fins left. See that? So, I'll continue on and try and post another video when I bail all these fins.